Published just hours ago, BBC's senior journalist Andy Cryer addresses an urgent conundrum for Manchester City. Pep Guardiola, the mastermind behind City's football prowess, now faces the daunting task of filling the irreplaceable void left by Rodri. Sidelined indefinitely with knee ligament damage from the recent 2-2 draw with Arsenal. The extent of Rodri's absence remains uncertain pending further tests, but the midfielder's crucial role is undeniable. Since Rodri's 2019 debut, City has lost 11% of their games with him on the pitch, compared to a staggering 24% without him. Internally, Guardiola might tap Mateo Kovacic, Ilkay Gundogan, John Stones, or Rico Lewis to shoulder the defensive midfield responsibilities. However, if the situation extends into 2025, a dive into the transfer market becomes a tempting possibility. Among the options are recalling Calvin Phillips from his loan at Ipswich, but other external talents promise intrigue. Bayern Munich's Leon Goretzka emerges as a prominent candidate. The German international, although primarily a box-to-box midfielder, matches Rodri's attacking verve and possession control, albeit falling short defensively. Real Sociedad's Martin Zubimendi demonstrated his mettle in the Euro 2024 final, stepping up effectively for Spain when Rodri exited the match. Liverpool's thwarted summer attempt to sign Zubimendi underlines his appeal, though his £51.5 million release clause and interest from top clubs like Bayern and Barcelona could complicate the acquisition. Youngster Adam Wharton, now with Crystal Palace, presents a promising alternative with impressive defensive stats and a versatile playstyle. Yet his recent jump to the Premier League suggests a hefty price tag. Bruno Guimaraes of Newcastle and Barcelona's Frenkie de Jong add depth to the choices, each with their unique strengths and significant financial implications. A wild card could be Pierre Lees-Melou from Brest. Despite being an underdog, his defensive prowess, highlighted by leading League One in tackles, duels, interceptions, and possession won, makes him a compelling, if unexpected, candidate. How Manchester City navigates this pivotal moment could define their season's trajectory.